Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to put music on a Facebook profile in a personalized way. The first thing will be to open Facebook and go to our profile page. Then we will move to the part of What's on Your Mind. Here we will look at the gray labels that appear and move the options until we see the music one. Click on that option. Here you will surely get everything blank. We are going to click on the plus symbol icon at the top. Then you can search for the song you want in the list or using the search engine. Click on the song you want to choose, then it returns to the previous window. Next, click on the 3 auxiliary points that correspond to the song you want to choose, then select the Pin to Profile option. After this, if we return to our profile, we can see that the song has been added to our Facebook profile or status. Users can click on that song to listen to it even in its entirety. Also, if you click on the 3 dots to the right of the song, you will have options to manage the track. You can change the song, remove it, or even visit the author's official profile. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.